Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. It's David here at Digitrains. Today we have a very exciting video for you. It's a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team, this time on a Kato OO9 Small England for Stenial Gretway 040. Now this is a tiny locomotive with very limited space, so John had quite a challenge to install sound in this. It's not even a DCC ready model. So John neatly installed a Zemo MS480R sound decoder loaded with our ZS045P2 sound file, which was created by Paul Chetter, a modified REL exclusive SP 15x8x12 speaker which tucked just on the underside of the roof, and two Zemo tantalum capacitors which sat just on top of the engine block to allow the locomotive to have a little bit of Stay Alive power. This proto-drive sound project features braking on F2, two sets of speed-dependent whistles which can be toggled between by activating function 18, coal shoveling, a reverser control and a working handbrake, amongst a whole host of other fun little sounds to play with. As I said at the start of the video, by activating function 18, this will bring up your second set of whistles, so you'll hear these for the remainder of the video. hope you've enjoyed the video. As always, if you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting decoders, sound or non-sound installed in your locos, please give us a call on 01522 527 731 or drop us an email, johng@digitrains.co.uk, or pop into the shop and speak to a member of our team. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.